We got these garage lights about 6 months ago, and they've been incredible. I've had no issues with them at all. I'm gonna turn them off so you can see them a little bit better. But we just had regular light bulbs up on our garage ceiling. It's hard to see with the light, but they are so bright, and you can twist them. Let me turn it off. You can twist them and manipulate them to put light in a certain direction. I had those two up because I was staging stuff on this wall. And so you can flip them around and just like, so you can put the light where you want it, basically. But they are so bright. It has made all the difference in my garage workshop. And I'll show you what my garage workshop looks like. But I have a paint booth over here, and I do a lot of work in here, a lot of woodworking, and I needed bright lights. And my halogens were awesome, but these just shine down. These just brighten up the entire room with that LED light. Highly recommend these lights. They're incredible. And they just screw into a regular light bulb socket. So it's the easiest install for light.